bottom of the table. Both the captains have been invited, and this is the starting seven for Himalayan Tars. Lal Singh, along with Mithun Singh and Vivek Thakur, will be in the raiding unit, and Shivansh Thakur, Raju Prakash in the covers. Corners will be Mohit Kumar and Lafpreet Singh. Sahil, Mayank, Naresh, Raman, and Palvinder will be in the substitution lineup for this unbeatable team. And this season, they have played 5 matches.
हम बात करेंगे रांची रेंजर्स की और सेंटर में उनके लिए प्रिंस कुमार रॉय 4 नंबर की जर्सी में नजर आएंगे। कवर्स में दाहिने तरफ विल्सन पॉल और बाईं तरफ रहेंगे शुभम कुमार। राइट इन पे अनंजय सिंह, राहुल गोपे उनका साथ देंगे लेफ्ट इन पे। कॉर्नर्स की जो जोड़ी है आज वो है एक तरफ मोनू कुमार दाहिने तरफ और बाईं तरफ रहेंगे राहुल कुमार 3 नंबर की जर्सी में। उसके अलावा 5 खिलाड़ी और है, बापी हाजरा, बिट्टू कुमार, ऋषिकेश प्रसाद, नवाज दिलशान और गौतम कुमार। ये 5 खिलाड़ी है, जब भी जरूरत पड़ेगी वो आ जाएंगे मैदान में।
Next 40 minutes will be the match to witness, because Himalayan Tars are going to secure their position. Will they or will not? Let's see. If they win here, they will make it to the finals of the division. And look at that beautiful tackle coming in from the Ranchi Rangers in the initial raid itself.
ये इनिशियल रेड की बात करेंगे। विवेक कुमार को बाहर जाना पड़ा है। हिमालयन ताज का जो पहला रेड है वो असफल हो गया। वहां पर
they could not make it to the division finals, but then they need to play for pride. That's where they become more dangerous, and this timing isn't good. So first 8 points on board for Himalayan Tars already.
जी हाँ, पैर को झटके से बचाया, 1 पॉइंट अपने लिए लिया।
Have the height of any regular raider, but then he is very quick. He has the power to escape, and here with his quick footwork, he escapes from the clutches of the right corner Mohit. Vivek Thakur in a defense of 6. Bonus is available, and again the right flank of the defense is becoming lethal for the right raiders from Ranchi Rangers. There's a 4th tackle point from that flank, the right corner, the right cover. They have been good in this match.
न्योता दे रहे कि आप अंदर तक आइए, आपको पॉइंट लेना है तो और वक्त गुजर जाएगा, वक्त गुजर जाएगा।
Raider out, 1 point.
Again, slowly Himalayan Tars are taking up. Yes, as the defense holds steady under pressure. India's number 1. India 1 stands strong.
जी हाँ, लवप्रीत सिंह इन्हें पहले भी जर्सी पुलिंग के लिए।
Substitution, Himalayan Tars, please come. Number 99 in.
कार्ड
And this is the do-or-die raid for Himalayan Tars, and Mithun Singh steps in, and again the right corner. He's been impressive today. Wilson yet again announces in a do-or-die raid, did not get the raider to get his footwork even. Brilliant thigh hold that faltered, but the second line of defense finishes off. All a credit to Monu Kumar, who has attacked before, but this time, unfortunately, he failed for the first time here.
Number 10 out.
The raider checks. He did not travel corner to corner. He checked, playing on the same flank. So maybe the right cover need to step little ahead, go for those dashes.
1 point Himalayan Tars, number 3 out.
Mithun Singh in the last 5 raids, he's got 3 raid points, and Rahul is being attacked. Let's see, again it's a kick executed on the left corner.
Great. Late entry,
Okay.
1 technical point.
Oh.
2 seconds just for a late raid, and this could be the last raid for the first half. And again, yet again, Wilson for a second tackle.
Ranchi Rangers.
Ranchi Rangers,
Number 4.
what a way to come back in the defense. And they are going hand in hand with the top team. right surprise coming in from the right in position.
क्या बॉक लाइन को क्रॉस करके 13-13 की बराबरी पे छोड़ दिया है। 4 टैकल पॉइंट के साथ बेस्ट डिफेंडर और मोनू कुमारे की आंखें बंद है। वो धेदार खिलाड़ी हैं, 4 नंबर की जर्सी पहनते हैं, लगातार पॉइंट्स लाते हैं। लूंगा ओ हो ये क्या था राधिका, आपने देखा?
Himalayantars, number 4
Yes,
out.
again, very quick, very smooth. A kick executed on the left corner, and that was Prince who had to go back. As we always say, why is he standing?
15 और 18, 13.5 मिनट का खेल। मयंक सैनी जिनसे सब घबराते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई घबराया नहीं है। सुपर टैकल हुआ है और रांची रेंजर्स को मिले हैं 2 पॉइंट और फिर से वो जो गैप है वो घट करके सिर्फ महज 1 अंकों का रह जाएगा। मयंक सैनी यहाँ पे निराश।
This he did not expect, but then Monu has been phenomenal. He gets his high 5 points as well today. Now Prince needs to step up and try and see if he can revive the team here. Bonus opportunity is there and he escapes here. It should be a multi-pointer. My God, it's a beautiful super raid. Haven't expected this from Ranchi Rangers.
ये रांची रेंजर्स से ही उम्मीद है।
Now let's go back. Now goes one. There was a touch and the right corner as well. India won ATM.
1 point, Himalayantars, number 17 out.
Wow, beautiful attempt for a flying hat.
ये 4 का यहाँ पे डिफेंस है और 4 नंबर की खिलाड़ी प्रिंस कुमार बिल्कुल मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किए हैं उन्होंने।
Nah, Raider is out, I suppose. We lose the review, lose Prince here. Yeah, so let's go back to the action. Yeah, the complete feat of the Raider was out of the lobbies. So the defense.
बीस मयंक सैनी फिर से पकड़े गए हैं। रांची रेंजर्स इस मैच को जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं और आखिरी जो 10-11 मिनट का खेल है वो बेहद रोमांचक होने वाला है। मयंक सैनी लगातार उनको बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया जा रहा है।
Now look at that, the right corner. How impressed are we today with this player Monu? Do some deceptive moves so the defense struggles and they come. And look at that, he gets multi-pointer. It should be, oh my God, it's a super raid for Himalayantars. A bonus and 2 touch points.
Number 20, number 20. सुनो पहले.
Now let's see. First a clear bonus attempt and the way he was moving. India won ATM. Kamal
राहुल गोपी और 9 मिनट का खेल अभी भी रांची रेंजर्स वापस आ सकता है और ये 22वां पॉइंट लवप्रीत को जाना पड़ेगा बाहर। 55 नंबर की जर्सी पहने ये हट्टा खट्टा लंबा खिलाड़ी।
Lovely running hand touch this match, and I think Himalayantars, all of the raiders are right raiders, so that's where Monu is getting most of them. And again, oh my God!
Raider save 2 points.
Quick support is what Monu was expecting, but then the upper body was taken care by Monu, but then lower body nobody to support. That's where the smartness of the raider comes. He uses the presence of mind, turns his lower body to the midline. The support would have come little early. And Himalayantars, both the teams have lost their reviews. Rahul Gopi with 4 8 points for him today. And look at that left to cover. And the left.
Raider save 2 points, Ranchi Rangers, number 20 and 8 out.
The covers, both of them goes back. Now look at that Rahul Gopi. He was just having a peripheral view on the left cover itself. So with his power, they need to play as per it. 5 raids, he just got 2 raid points. Total 6 raid points is what he gets. He's got the bonus opportunity, but then this time around the left cover goes for the chain
Red
tackle.
around, 1 point Himalayan Tars.
I think this is it for the Ranchi Rangers. Rahul Gope has to warm the bench for a while now. The Himalayan Tars Raiders would not do anything other than those empty raids. This is how very, very calculative. That's the reason I'm sure this is the team that will go to the tabletop and make it to the finals of Division 3.
जी हाँ,
For the Himalayan Tars. And this should be the last one. The right cover comes in with a block. The in position, he made sure Rangers so far the best team to get those super tackle points, but the smartness of Lapreet Singh, he pushes both the defenders to one side of the court and he escapes, and Himalayan
One
Tars,
side,
they
Himalayan
make
Tars,
it
number
to
17
the
out.
tabletop and they qualify for the final 3. Congratulations, they have been
Match over.
unbeaten.
जबरदस्ती
Yeah, he comes in as a